Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we're diving into Arcellx, a biotech company, and their latest 8K filing. Now, usually these filings are about numbers and legal stuff, but this one has a few details that might make your jaw drop. We'll see if Arcellx is truly on the path to becoming a blockbuster, or if there are hidden risks lurking in their pipeline. First, let's quickly cover who Arcellx is. They are a clinical-stage biotech company focused on developing cell therapies for cancer and autoimmune diseases. Think of them as trying to create living drugs to fight these diseases. The 8K form is basically a current report companies file to notify investors about significant events that could affect the company's stock or operations. This particular one was filed on February 27, 2025. The main reason for this filing is to announce their financial results for the entire year of 2024. The details are available in the press release attached to the 8K. We're going to dig into those numbers and see what story they tell. This is important because the numbers show how the company is doing, if they are making progress or if they are struggling. So, as mentioned, Arcellx issued a press release about their financial performance. Let's get right to it. Usually a press release is a good snapshot of how the company wants to show itself to the world. Okay, before we move on to my summary and opinions about the company, let's see the numbers in the press release. First, Arcellx reported having about $367.5 million in cash equivalents, and marketable securities. This is super important for biotech companies as they burn a lot of money in research and development. A big cash balance means they can keep funding their projects for a while. Next, their research and development expenses were $56.4 million for the quarter and $203.2 million for the year. This is where the majority of their money is going, which is expected. Biotech companies need to invest heavily in R&D to develop new therapies. It is important to see this expense. It's good to have cash, but they have to invest it wisely to yield new products. Their general and administrative expenses were $14.2 million for the quarter and $54.3 million for the year. These expenses cover the costs of running the company, like salaries, office space, and legal fees. It also mentions a few legal formalities. These are standard disclaimers, essentially saying they aren't trying to manipulate the market or make misleading statements. It's boilerplate legal language, but important for compliance.